Most people think getting richer means buying better things. But watch someone who quietly builds wealth over 20 years, and you'll notice something strange. Their shopping cart keeps getting smaller, not bigger. While everyone else upgrades, they quietly stop buying things they once thought were essential. That's because smart spending isn't about finding the cheapest option. It's about recognizing expensive habits disguised as normal life. Take the daily convenience trap. Coffee, food delivery, impulse purchases during late-night scrolling. None of them look dangerous alone, but together they quietly drain thousands every year, not because they're luxurious, but because they're invisible. Then come status purchases, designer logos, the newest phone every 12 months, cars that cost more to impress strangers than to solve transportation. Ironically, the wealthiest people often avoid these games because they understand